everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time here. I hope you do consider subscribing before you leave. So you all, it seems like the last few videos we've been in this very spot, which is my little tiny bedroom. It is the new year and I am definitely, you know, working on trying to finish getting it refreshed. I do have another mini haul. I was not planning on doing a haul today. I more so wanted to show you how to update a console space, especially with using items from Target that I purchased. But I ran across a few more things that I could not leave at the store and wanted to show you some of my find and make it look, you know, pretty high-end and luxe just with using Target items. If you're able to catch my last haul, this is the bowl that I just recently purchased from Target, and I will be showing you how to style this later on in the video. So in the meantime, of course, you always find little knickknacks when you're not looking for it. I was not looking for any of these items. So these items don't actually have a designated spot. Again, you all may know I do interior decorating, so a lot of this will end up going in my decor room, and then, you know, if I'm able to use it later on, or if I decide to switch out some of my accessories later on, then I'll be, you know, I'll have these on hand. So this first item is a decorative ceramic box. And I'm not really sure if the color is picking up really well in the camera, but it's a nude color, and the lid also comes off if you want to store items in this. And this is something that you could really use anywhere in your home: bedroom, bathroom, table, console table, pretty much anywhere. And I got this for $4.50. And to be honest, this was an item that Target just recently, at least one of my location is close to me, they just put this out, and I happened to, I don't know what made me scan it, because it was originally just 15 bucks, which is still not bad, but it was for $4.50. So yes, I grabbed it. And then got another one of those ceramic style boxes, but this one is more of a circular shape, and that's a little darker nude. Hopefully if you're able to tell the color, it's a little bit darker than the previous one. And this was for $4.50 as well at Target, and this was originally $15. And again, they just recently put this out on display, and something, I don't know what told me to scan it, and they all came up $4.50. I may end up going back to see if they have more. But this one, the lid comes off of it as well, if you want to use it to, you know, store additional items in there. And this is one of those multi, you know, purpose decor pieces that you can, you know, use anywhere around your home. But again, both was for $4.50, so could not leave it at the store. And I don't have a set place for it now, as I was saying, but, you know, I may be able to use it later on. Another little item that I came across is this wooden black decorative balls, like a spear shape. And this is something, you know, if you want to just add like a hint of color or a hint of like texture in your home anywhere, you're able to place this, you know, around the home, and it's only like 10 bucks. And I'll show you how I style this to give you an idea. Now I'm gonna actually end up using this when I style the console table here shortly. I was in search for a smaller tray. I do currently have a larger tray on my console table for the bedroom, and I wanted to get something a little bit smaller. So I will be using this, and I'm gonna show you how I style it. And they actually just recently got this, and this is a wooden style decorative tray from Target. And they have a matching bowl. I noticed I have about 3 different Targets within 5 minutes from my home, and I noticed a lot of them, they don't all have the same pieces. Like I found this at one Target, and then I went to another one and then saw the matching decorative bowl. But this is the perfect size, and it has these little things at the bottom to keep from, you know, scratching any surfaces. Now this last item, I actually found it today. Now I was looking for this is a gold decorative tray. I was actually looking for something like this a while ago, not for the bedroom, but something shaped like this, because I'm going to probably use it in the living room at a later date. I do have an item that's going to be coming in that I've actually been mentioning on the last few videos that should have come in last month, but I should hopefully have it within the next week or two. And I'm going to show you once it comes in how you can actually style something like this. And this gold, I don't know if I want to keep it this shade of gold or not, but more so I wanted the shape and the texture. So I came across this find at Target, and this is only out of one of the 3 Targets that was near me that they had it. So, and like I said, you always find what you're looking for when you're not looking for it. And again, I went into Target to look for something completely opposite and came across this. So what I'll be doing next is showing you how I revamp my little console table, you know, just using Target pieces, and, you know, showing you how you can make it still look luxe without having to break the bank. A brief before overview before I restyle the console table. close-up of the Restoration Hardware inspired moss bowl. And as you can see, I end up adding tissue paper to it. That way it gives it enough fullness, and then you also don't have to go through a whole pack of moss. Again, the bowl, the wooden tray, and the fur ottoman are all from Target. As you can see, doing something simple as adding the new Target decor and taking away that big white tray that was previously up there, it has certainly dramatically transformed the space. And then for the bow, you know, I added moss to it, and the room is already neutral and all white. So the bow just adds a hint of color as well as a little bit of texture to the space without, you know, spending a whole lot of money to do so. And then you all know that I'm constantly buying decor and showing you different ways that you're able to implement it and get a high-end look on a budget without, you know, breaking the bank. But also the key to it looking high-end is to not put too much decor in the same area, meaning not to over accessorize. You know, less is always best. So again, if you have not yet subscribed, please do not forget to do so, and I will catch you all on the next one. Bye.